You can install a Carbonite subscription for your Mac right from the Carbonite website. The installation file usually downloads as part of the account creation process. But if you need to download the file again, or you'd like to add another subscription to an existing account, here's how. Begin by using your Mac to sign into your Carbonite account at my.carbonite.com. If this is the first time you've signed into your account, you'll see a required information page. This is just some information we can use to identify this account as yours and help protect it from unauthorized logins or password reset requests. Fill out the fields and click Submit to advance to your account dashboard. If you haven't installed Carbonite on any computers yet, you'll see a Download Now button. You can click that to begin your first installation. If you do have any subscriptions for other computers already installed for this account, you'll see them here. You can begin installing a new trial for your Mac by clicking Start a Trial here. Trials let you try the Carbonite for Mac software for free for a limited time with no obligation. Then, if you like the way the software works, you can purchase a plan and seamlessly convert your trial to a paid subscription. Click the Download Now button on the next page to download the Carbonite installer. After it finishes downloading, run the file. If at this point you see a message stating that the file cannot be opened, you'll need to open Security and Privacy in System Preferences and click the Open Anyway button. For more detailed instructions, please search our knowledge base for Gatekeeper and find the article for installing Carbonite on a Mac through Gatekeeper. Once the installer opens, read through the Terms of Service and click Continue to indicate your agreement. Then enter your Mac password to authorize the installation of Carbonite to your Mac. You'll see a progress bar filling as the installation completes. Near the end of the process, you'll get to select which folders under your home folder you'd like to begin backing up from a standard list. Click each of the available folders to select or deselect that location. Since music and movies are excluded by default on Carbonite trials, you'll notice they cannot be selected here. Click Install to proceed. The installation will finish by itself from here. Click Open Carbonite from the welcome screen to see the interface. Carbonite will begin your initial backup and continue performing your initial backup in the background even after you close this window. To speed up this initial backup, make sure your computer stays on and doesn't go into sleep mode until all your selected files are backed up.